Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chocolate granola at home step by step. Combine 3 cups rolled oats, 1 cup chopped nuts, 1 cup cocoa, and a pinch of salt in a large bowl. Whisk 1/2 cup oil, 1/2 cup maple syrup, and 2 tsp vanilla, then pour over dry mix and stir until evenly coated for roasting. Blend flavors gently and keep the texture in mind as you mix. Toss oats with cocoa, a tablespoon of instant espresso for depth if desired, and a spoon of cinnamon. Stir repeatedly to evenly coat every flake, then spread in a thin layer on the prepared sheet. Even coating gives consistent baking and prevents clumping during roasting for the best crunchy result. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing easy recipes. Quick recommendation. On another note, life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your ride smelling great while you bake. I've dropped a link and other deals in the description, so check those out. Now let's get back to the video. Roast the granola until fragrant and slightly darker, usually 18 to 22 minutes depending on your oven. Stir every 10 minutes to promote even browning and prevent scorching, then remove when small clusters form. Let the granola cool fully on the sheet. Cooling sets the clusters and preserves crunch. Once cooled, add any fragile dried fruit and transfer to a sealed jar for freshness and quick snacking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.